One day, in the secret hideout of Kitten Klaw and Lightning Lad, we interrupt this episode of Hannah Montana to bring you Levitor. He is out murdering babies with a blender.
Kitten Klaw, we must go!
Let's go kill Levitor!
Oh look, it's a mysterious rock!
I am Levitor!
Whoa!
Kitten Klaw, I will fight you. I am Levitor. I have the power to levitate any object.
Shing shing!
Ah. Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out! I have beaten you, Kitten Klaw. Lightning Lad! Show yourself.
Spark!
Oh no! You've knocked the hammer out of my hands. Hammer, come! I'm Levitor. I have the power to levitate any object.
Huh? Kitten Klaw, get up! We must go find Levitor!
Okay. Let's go.
Quick, Kitten Klaw, you go! I'll stay in case you die. I'm still alive.
Okay.
Kitten Klaw, are you okay?
Lightning Lad!
You have killed Kitten Klaw! I think I spark! The day is saved.
Or is it?
The end!
What the fact?